Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my vetiver soap. This is my second attempt. The first attempt didn't come out as I wanted it to. My oil is ready: beeswax, shea butter, coconut olive, and castor oil. So we're gonna start by pouring the lye solution infused with vetiver roots in the oil.
Thanks for subscribing.
What I'm observing is as it's going in the oil, it's turning into an orange color, a beautiful orange. So let's press those roots to extract all the lye solution. Just be patient. Yes, we are done. Now let's start stirring to make sure everything is of a smooth consistency. And as my lye solution went in the oil, it turned into this beautiful orange color. This didn't happen in the previous video. So I don't know the trick if it's coming from the shea butter, because in my previous recipe I did not add any shea butter. So let's add our vetiver powder, and my vetiver powder is smooth. In my previous video it was kind of coarse and I didn't like the feel on my skin, so that's why I made it finer this time. Yeah, let's add our vetiver essential oil, and even the vetiver essential oil I use this time is different. Look at the consistency, it's very smooth. So let's do our pouring. I'm using the rectangular mold because the beeswax just makes my soap hard quickly, so I can't pour in those round molds. Yeah, scrape out everything. This is how it looks after putting the powder on top. The following day after unmolding, look at how it looks beautiful with this powder on top, and it just feels nice. Yeah, this is my soap cutter, and as you can see, my soap is higher than the cutter, so I have to align my knife in a way that I can cut straight. Oh my. So let's do our cutting. Trust me, this soap, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's far better than the first one I made. This one, it smells like vetiver. Oh my. Wow. This is my final result. Lovely vetiver soap. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified when I post new videos. Like and share. Bye.